In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put TikTok videos in slow motion. So let's get started right away. So first of all, we want to download a video. So let's say I want to download this video, for example. Then all I have to do is click on the share icon and then click on save video at the bottom right there. Now it says video saved. And from then on, what you want to do is go to your browser and search for this website right there. It's sgif or easygif.com. And once you're here, you want to click on the video to GIF right there and then select the video speed. Now from here on out, you want to click on choose file right there. So just click on photo library, then select the video like this, then click on upload video, and now the video is uploaded. So what you want to do is you can choose the speed for yourself, but I think I'm just going to leave it at 0.5. That's basically half the speed of the original video, so that's fine. Then I'm going to click on change video speed right there, and that will confirm the video to that speed. Now all I have to do is, if you just want to check it out in slow motion, you can just click on play right here and you can now see the video in slow motion. But if you also want to save it to your camera roll, what you can do is just click on save right there, then click download, and then I think on Android it will immediately just download, but on iOS you want to click on that download, then click on the video, click on the share icon at the bottom left corner, and click on save video right there. And now that video will be saved to your photos. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.